Ever wondered how to make your stew not so basic? Like make your stew very tasty and delicious. Somebody like me now, I don't make stew in a way that every time I make stew, it will be the same taste. Like I prefer to make my stew different ways so that if you test it today, testing it again, it will be different taste altogether. So just sit back and relax and watch me show you how to make a perfect chicken stew. Next thing to do is to prep the pepper mix. As you can see, all the ingredients are displayed on the screen. Next up, we spice the chicken. Remember, spicing your chicken is very important. So just watch me spice my chicken. I simply go in with some salt, seasoning cubes, some chicken flavors, the pepper mix that we blended previously. Then I go in with my signature spice blend. This my signature spice blend has already been documented in this my channel. Just wait until the end of the video. I will share the link that will direct you straight to the signature spice blend. Guys, one of the things that helps my stew is my chicken stock. And remember, there's no good chicken stock without the spice. So you need to pay attention in spicing your chicken to make it come out well at the end of the day. I'm making use of hard chicken, so the chicken needs some time, at least 20 to 30 minutes to cook so that it can get done properly. A tip I would like to share with you guys today is that after cooking your chicken, just let it sit inside the chicken stock for like 2 or 3 hours so that everything can be able to marinate very well inside. Or you can cook it in the night and let it sit inside the stock until morning. This procedure is strictly for hard chicken, not soft one. The ingredients I'm using for this stew are listed on the screen. I cooked this chicken last night and left it in the chicken stock till this morning so that everything will marry each other inside this chicken. Next up, we fry the chicken. In case you don't like frying the chicken, you can actually oven dry it or whichever way you like. But here, I'm frying my chicken. And I like to fry my chicken with some butter. It makes it taste better with some butter. This is my perfectly fried chicken. As you can see, it's giving you some golden brown kind of look. And I like my chicken very crispy. Crispiness is one of the reasons why I fry my chicken with some butter. It gives it that flavor and then it makes it crispy. Next up is to blend the tomato mix. I simply mix the pre-cooked fresh tomatoes, some shombo, pepper and onions. I also like to add crayfish inside my tomato mix. And yes, I like crayfish inside my stew. So blending my tomato mix with some crayfish is always the best thing for me to do inside my stew. Now let's dive into making the stew. The first thing to do is to add some oil, some onions and then curry powder. Just let it sit inside the oil to infuse some flavors inside the oil. Then you go in with the tomato paste, let it fry for a bit before you finally go in with the blended tomato mix. Then stir and stir so that everything will mix in well. The next thing to do is to add some seasoning cubes and then our signature spice, because you don't need to add in salt yet. Just wait until you feel like the tomato have dried enough before you go in with any other spice. 20 minutes later, we're going to check on the stew. Then you stir to make sure that it's not burning under. Then still turn it in between time. Keep on checking it to make sure it doesn't burn. As you can see, the oil is floating on top. The moment you see the oil floating on top, know that the stew is almost ready. So the next thing you do is to go in with the chicken stock, add in some salt, the seasoning, and then you can adjust with seasoning or whatever you like inside your stew. But at this point, this is the time you need to add in whatever you want inside the stew. If you've made it this far, which means you are clearly enjoying the recipe, click the subscribe button so that you'll be updated each time we make a new recipe. Now it's time to add the chicken. What I normally do is save some chicken for next time, because I don't like packing all my chicken inside this stew so that it will not be softening inside. Why I do this is because next time when I'm eating the stew, I can just easily bring out the chicken and add it to the stew, and it will be very fresh while warming it. Adding onions is the last thing I do, because I like my onions very crunchy while I'm eating it. But if you are not a lover of onions, you can easily skip this part. Our stew is ready. Now look at this goodness. This stew is telling you that I'm very delicious. You don't even need to test it to know that this is delicious. It came out very tasty. So let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this recipe of a very tasty stew. Remember, we are here to show you how to make tasty meals, tasty budget-friendly meals. I want to know in the comment section, what will you like to pair this with? As for me, I'm having this with a very hot rice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.